You wake up in the middle of the night, and you can't fall back asleep. You lie there, watching the minutes crawl by. 3:20, 3:45, 4:10. The more you try to sleep, the more awake you feel. Your mind starts racing, and a quiet panic sets in. You know the alarm is coming. If this is you, almost every night, you are not broken, and there is a real reason your brain won't let you drift back. First, waking in the night is completely normal. Everyone surfaces briefly between sleep cycles. Most of the time, you don't even remember it. You roll over and sink back down. The problem isn't waking up. The problem is what happens next. When your mind switches on and refuses to switch off. Here is the strange part. The harder you try to fall asleep, the more impossible it becomes. Because trying is effort, and effort wakes the brain. Sleep is not something you can force. It's something you allow. The moment you strain for it, your body reads it as a task. Stress hormones rise. Your heart speeds up, and sleep drifts further away. Without meaning to, you are keeping yourself awake. And then, you check the clock. That single glance does real damage. Your brain does the math. Only 3 hours left, and the pressure spikes. Each look feeds the anxiety. The anxiety feeds the wakefulness, and it pulls you further from sleep. It becomes a loop. Worse, your brain starts to learn it. Night after night, it expects the struggle, and the bed itself becomes a place of tension instead of rest. So, what actually helps? Not trying harder, but the opposite. Stop watching the clock. Turn it away. The time is not information you need. And if you're truly wide awake, don't lie there fighting it. What science suggests is getting up, doing something calm and boring in dim light, and returning only when sleep feels close. It breaks the link between your bed and the struggle. And most of all, let go of the pressure. One restless night is not a catastrophe. Your body will always catch up. The less you chase sleep, the more easily it comes. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider. If this helped you, subscribe to Selyra Mind for more science-based documentaries about sleep, anxiety, and the modern nervous system.